how to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So, here is how to do it. First of all, Facebook does not offer a built-in feature to prevent people from taking screenshots of your profile, photos, posts, or stories. Unlike some apps like Snapchat or Instagram's Vanish Mode, Facebook does not notify you or block screenshot attempts. So, however, here is some workaround and smart privacy steps you can take to discourage or limit screenshots. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now once there, tap on the three dot next to the Edit Profile. Then, tap on the Lock Profile option available there and confirm the lock. It hides full-size profile or cover photos, limits who can see your posts and stories, and only your friends can interact with your content. And it makes it harder to screenshot meaningful info. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.